How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how you can do this. How to delete multiple contacts at once at the press of a button. Let me show you. Okay, so just open up the phone app and then tap on contacts, of course, and I'm gonna teach you an awesome little trick. We're gonna actually use 2 fingers. We're gonna tap on the screen and drag down or drag up to select multiple items. In this case, multiple contacts. Let me show you. So tap with 2 fingers at the same time and drag down. And as you can see, we have selected all of those contacts at once. Now, keep in mind that maybe depending on your iOS version you're running on your iPhone, this trick will not work in the phone app. So we're actually gonna need to use the Contacts app if that's your case. But don't worry, because it's the exact same thing. So you can go ahead, go back to the home screen, pull down on your home screen to open up the search, and then search for Contacts. As you can see, open it up. Of course, this is the native Apple application for your contacts. And then you can do the exact same thing. 2 fingers, tap and drag down, and there you go. We have selected multiple contacts. And from here on, all you have to do is tap and hold, and of course, delete the multiple contacts we have selected at once with the press of a button. I'm not gonna delete it because I want those contacts. And I'm gonna give you, of course, an extra tip. This is so cool because maybe you don't wanna delete a bunch of contacts that are in a row. Maybe you want to delete a portion and then skip a few and then delete another portion. How can you do that? The exact same thing. So we have selected this portion. You can scroll down and then do the exact same process with 2 fingers and then select another portion. Keep going, select another portion, keep going, and of course, all your selection is maintained. We have a memory for it, so then you can keep going all the way down, like selecting, and you're done. And even if you want to just select one contact, you can. With 2 fingers, tap on it, and then you can select one single contact. So cool. And then after you're done selecting dozens, hundreds of contacts, tap and hold, and of course, it's going to pick up all of your selection. It's going to keep the memory so you can go ahead and delete it. So that's literally it. That's how you easily delete multiple contacts on your iPhone at once. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.